have a tablecloth. Like, oh no. But what about the legs? And maybe we could put like single table right there. Yeah.
Just 1 second. What you're saying is that you discovered that paper clips
and we grab some metal to it, and then
these bolts.
Yeah, bolts.
Okay, what else did you discover?
We had the little things to make them stay up.
Are you talking about these thingies?
Yeah.
Those are called wing nuts. They're nuts that have wings.
Wing nuts, and then we make the wing nuts to stay to make the metal stay up. And
the bolts?
The bolts to stay up.
So you tighten those?
Yeah, we tighten them. And then we just tried it out to make it stand.
And it doesn't? Is that why you were smiling? Alright, let me see. Let me see if I can test it and make it tip.
Cardboard.
If I touch it here, it doesn't tip. If I touch it here, it tips. Why does it tip? So where are the places where it's not tipping, and where are the places where it's tipping?
That's tip.
Our bolts a good attachment.
And that don't. I know what it is because there's no screw right here or right here.
Let me give you some words. A screw it looks like a bolt, but a screw has a point, a sharp point. This is a bolt, but it has threading just like a screw, so you can have a nut that goes on it. But usually you don't use a nut with a screw. So, do you have any nuts and bolts left? Or you were only given 3?
We was trying to look for some more nuts.
We only gave you 3 on purpose. So, what other materials could you use to help make that secure? So you're going to need to be creative now.
That's what that's balance. We don't know what it's called.